Today, it's no longer about if we use AI, but how. Research shows that most workers are already using AI daily. And in fact, 84% of workers wish their organizations would focus even more on AI. So how do you get past the hype and start seeing real results, where AI helps you do your best work? Hi, I'm Deanne Chen, and I help lead AI skills for Google Workspace. Welcome to AI Boost Bootcamp, where we'll cover tips for using Gemini at work. This is for all professionals who work at a desk. So if your job is to communicate, create, and collaborate with your teammates, then this course is for you. You've probably heard how AI can help save you time, like drafting an email or sending you follow-up notes after a meeting, creating stunning presentations that tell a story, and how to get breakthrough insights when you're researching a new project. We'll cover these basics and so much more over the next few lessons. This isn't just about saving time. It's about empowering you to transform your work with AI, to amplify your creativity and your unique skills. Together, let's learn the fundamentals of using Gemini at work. To start, you may be wondering, what is Gemini and how do I find it? And what AI tools from Google can I use at work? Let's find out.
Workspace is our productivity and collaboration platform that gives you and your teams everything you need in one place. With popular apps like Gmail, Calendar, Meet to stay connected and manage your time, and Docs, Sheets, and Slides so you can create and collaborate in real time with anyone, all while ensuring your work is protected with enterprise-grade security and reliability, empowering every business and every employee to transform how they work. This includes getting AI assistance in your Workspace apps to help you do your best work faster in Gmail, Docs, Sheets, and more. Access to the Gemini app so you can chat with Google's next-gen AI for quick answers or to get help tackling complex projects. And NotebookLM, our revolutionary AI research assistant that can help you learn complex topics quickly and share that knowledge with coworkers. And all of this is backed by our core principles of keeping your data private, safe, and under your control. You can call on Gemini anytime by clicking in the spark in your favorite Workspace apps. In Gmail, Gemini can summarize those long email threads and draft thoughtful responses for you in seconds, saving you precious time throughout your day. And it's available on the go in the Gmail mobile app for Android and iOS. And if you're like me, you probably have a ton of meetings throughout your day. Gemini can help there too, by taking notes for you. This lets you focus on the conversation, knowing that Gemini is capturing the details. And if you happen to be running late, it can even catch you up on what you missed. You can chat with Gemini to find quick answers and brainstorm ideas from your laptop or mobile device, or tackle more complex projects like coding and research. Visit gemini.google.com or download the Gemini app to get started. And finally, NotebookLM helps you surface insights faster, grounded only in the information you provide. You upload your sources from your Drive, web, or your laptop and get instant insights with citations. You can even create podcast-like audio overviews to listen and learn on the go. These can be useful as a knowledge hub for new employees or project team onboarding. Visit notebooklm.google.com with your Workspace account to get started.
You've seen how Gemini can help you with your personal productivity in everyday apps like Gmail or tools like NotebookLM. Now there's one more tool to help you go even further: Gemini Enterprise. With Gemini Enterprise, you can tap into your organization's own intelligence, like HR policies, IT knowledge bases, or sales data. You can even connect to live data in other business apps like Salesforce and SAP. This lets you interact with Gemini grounded in your own business context. You can even create custom AI agents to tackle your team's unique tasks. Now that you know where to find Gemini, let's talk about best practices. Have you ever asked an AI chatbot a question, only to get a result that wasn't exactly what you wanted? Learn the art of AI prompting, or how you start the conversation with your AI-powered assistant. Let's get to it.
Have you ever heard of prompt engineering? In today's video, we'll break down the concept of prompting so you can start prompting like a pro in no time. If you're already familiar with AI, you probably know crafting the right prompt is the key to getting great results. Now let's try writing our own prompts. It's easier than you think. You can write as if you're having a conversation with a colleague or a friend. Just use natural language. Be as specific as needed and also make it conversational. If you don't get it right the first time, like a conversation, you can always try again. Now, when it comes to the actual engineering of the prompt, there are 4 elements that can help. Number 1, persona. Specify the role or perspective you want Gemini to adopt. 2, task. Clearly state the action you want Gemini to perform. Summarize, create, research, use a verb or a command. 3, context. Provide relevant information to help Gemini understand your request. If you have a desired output, let Gemini know. For example, you might want a bulleted list, or an executive summary, or even add emojis to keep it light. Now let's see this in action. I'm going to open gemini.google.com and chat directly with Gemini. Let's say I'm a customer service representative responding to a complaint. I'm going to say, I'm a customer service representative and I need to write a letter responding to a customer complaint. The customer ordered a pair of headphones that arrived damaged. Help me brainstorm a paragraph that acknowledges their frustration, as well as add 3 bullet points with potential resolutions. As you can see, this level of context and detail can go a long way in resolving issues efficiently, leaving your customers feeling heard and valued. Remember, the more information you provide, the better the response, and the quicker you'll find what you're looking for. And that's it. That's what prompt engineering is all about.
So to recap, 2 things you've learned. With Google Workspace, you get Gemini in your Workspace apps, Gemini app, and NotebookLM to help boost your productivity at work. The addition of Gemini Enterprise provides AI assistance customized to your business. It connects to your organization's data and apps, and you can even create your own AI agents to automate your daily work. And to make AI work for you, the art of AI prompting is critical. Persona, task, context, and format. Bonus tip, if you need help prompting, you can ask Gemini, help me turn this into a power prompt. Now we're going to cover use cases. Go to the next lesson to dive in.